How to create awesome benefit templates. Create a bulleted list of benefits. Now, whether you are crafting an email, social media blurb, or a sales letter, you want to focus on the benefits of the offer. Now, one good way to make these benefits stand apart is to put them in a bulleted list. This makes them easy to see even for skimmers, and a succinct list of benefits make it easy for readers to absorb, and it creates desire and excitement. Now, 5 awesome benefit templates. The next time you need to create a bulleted benefit list, try out these templates. Get a great benefit faster than ever using an app, a tool, or a strategy. For example, get your business up and running faster than ever using this proven 5-step strategy. You'll finally learn the truth about some topic and it's going to surprise you. For example, you'll finally learn the truth about getting rid of cellulite and it's going to surprise you. Another template. Do you want to get a benefit? See a certain page, number, module number, etc. For example, do you want to boost your conversion rates the easy way? See page 122 for a 5-minute trick that could double your conversions. Now, you too can get a certain benefit in just a short period of time. For example, now you too can save your marriage in just 1 week from now. You'll discover a startling or weird or surprising trick for getting a certain benefit. For example, you'll discover a totally weird trick that works like crazy to make you look 10 years younger. Now, here's another set of templates. 3 swipeable CTA templates. Here are 3 different calls to action you can use for different occasions. This is a great opportunity to learn about some strategy or get some tool for free, so click here to take advantage of this offer while you still can. Buy now and you'll get a 50% discount. Click here to get started. If you've ever wanted to learn about a topic or get some benefit, then you're going to want to get on this free webinar. Click here to register and do it now before all the seats are gone. Next, 3 postscript templates. Now, if you're writing a sales letter, then you'll want to include a postscript. That's because a PS is one of the most read parts of a sales page. It's a good idea to include both the benefit and a call to action in your postscript. Now check out these templates. PS. I almost forgot. If you act now, you'll also get some bonus gift. Then click here to claim yours now. PS. People everywhere are saying this is the quickest and easiest way to get some benefit. But don't take my word for it. Click here to order now risk-free. PS. You won't find a faster, easier, or better way to get a benefit, so click here to order now.